All right, find an equation with a line containing those 2 points, -2, 5, and 4, -1. What is the distance between these points? What is their midpoint? So the distance, so well, first off, I'm going to find the equation. So to find the equation, what I'm going to do first is I need to find the slope. So it's going to be essentially y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So what I'll end up with here, I can just pick any of the 2 points. So I'll just do 5 minus -1 over 4. Oops, that's not right. Over -2 minus 4. So I end up with 6, because it's 5 minus a negative, which is just plus, over -6. So I get -1. So my slope, I'll just pick any of the points. So y minus y minus 5 is equal to -1. That's a slope. X minus, this is the y minus y1 is equal to x minus x1. Minus -2, which becomes +2. So I get y minus 5 is equal to -x minus 2. And then add 5 to both sides. I get y is equal to x plus 3. This is my line, but I still got to go here because I want the midpoint. Midpoint is just going to be my 2 x variables. So I'll just do 4 minus -2, which is +2 squared, plus y. I mean, this is just the Pythagorean theorem in disguise. -1 minus 5 squared. So I get square root of 6 squared plus 6 squared. And this ends up being 72. And square root of 72 is equal to, well, I can break this down to 36 times 2. And I get 6 root 2 out. This is the this is the halfway point between the two. So where are the midpoints? Midpoints, it's just x2 plus x1 divided by 2, comma, y2 plus y1 divided by 2. So in this instance, it's just going to be -2 plus 4 divided by 2. And then 5 minus 1 divided by 2. So it ends up being just 2 divided by 2, which is 1. And then 5 minus 1 divided by 2. So that's 4 divided by 2, which is 2. All right, so midpoint. Oh, excuse me. Yeah, this is the distance. Distance or length. And then equation between the 2 points. Okay, I hope that helps. Thanks for watching.